Hello everyone, this is Dhruv here. I am from Pune and I've been working in a multinational company as an IT engineer. I've been trading for the last 7 years. I have seen so many up downs during the trading time, but since the time I have joined this training program on commodity trading, I have learned so good strategies here which I can incorporate in my trading. And before doing this course, I had done another course based on the future and options trading, but those strategies are not very much applicable on commodity, I would say. But here, these strategies that I've run here, these can be used in commodity as well as in future and options. I would recommend everyone to do this course to improve their trading and make regular profits on consistent basis. Thank you.